Hey guys, it's Monday the 13th of June 2016 and I'm waiting for my Uber to take me to the airport. The day has finally come. I'm leaving Miami to go back to Austria for a few weeks. And on the one side I'm sad to leave this amazing place, but on the other side I'm very happy because I'm really missing Jackie right now and I can't wait to get back to her. And also there's so many awesome things happening in my life at the moment that it doesn't matter where I am or what I'm doing, everything is just amazing at the moment. So I thought I'd just share a few travel hacks of mine. First of all, travel light. If you can do without checked luggage, do without checked luggage. Second of all, don't use any belts, watches, or anything that could set off the alarm at the security checkpoint. If you need something like that, just take it in your hand luggage. Stow it away before you get to the security checkpoint and just keep it there until you're through. And then you can put your watch on or you can put on whatever you had on before.
Apple really needs to bring out a new MacBook so I can replace this old one. I mean, I'm trying to render a 30-second Instagram video and it's showing me that it takes 1 hour and 15 minutes. I gotta get this video out before I board my plane. So I just finished my work. I was able to shoot the email out to my client. The project is finished. Now's the time to enjoy this business class flight. Cheers. Alright, the flight is boarding. I just met a bunch of amazing people in the lounge. It's always a pleasure just hang out in the business class lounge and relax and wait for your flight. Now it's time to board. Goodbye Miami, it has been real. I will see you soon. I just realized I forgot my jersey in the lounge. But I'm not going back. I just can't. It's just going to be a cold flight today. Up at the cabin, feels like a private jet. It really does. Okay, I've got my cozy clothes on. Time to enjoy this flight. And I'm heading towards the gate now for the flight from London to Frankfurt. It's a short one, then another short stay in Frankfurt, and then I fly home to Linz finally. Just arrived at the lounge in Frankfurt. Gonna have a quick shower in the lounge here before I fly to Linz, so I'm all fresh when I get home. Leaving the lounge now. That shower was so damn refreshing and urgently needed. I've had enough airport lounges for today and I'm just gonna take a slow walk to the gate. Look is back! And now we're gonna document how the cats react to me coming home again. 0 flippies given.
Ja, hallo. Ja, hallo.
Er muss dich mal beschnuppern. Oh.